Does your vehicle have a nice size screen? If you ever want to watch movies, TV shows, or even live TV, well, this device will allow you to do just that in the vehicle that you have right now. Most vehicles nowadays have infotainment screens. These infotainment screens have CarPlay and Android Auto. The problem is both CarPlay and Android Auto are locked down. They are locked down to specific apps which don't allow you to get the full use out of those little screens in your car. This little device solves this problem by allowing you to watch movies, TV shows, and YouTube, as well as live TV. This is the Binize B3 Pro Max AI box. They call it an AI box, not because it's smart, but because essentially it's an Android interface. By plugging this device into your vehicle's USB port, it not only provides you an Android interface, this allows you to install apps, but it also allows you to turn your vehicle's wired CarPlay or Android Auto into wireless CarPlay or Android Auto. On top of that, this device allows you to mirror your smartphone too. In the box, you get the Binize AI box, a plethora of USB cables, USB-A to USB-C, USB-C to USB-C, and a USB-A to USB-A. You get a mini HDMI cable to HDMI, so that way you can plug it into a TV, and you get your user manual. The Binize AI box is round and it fits in your hand. It's like having a small computer in the palm of your hand. On the face, it looks like it has a clock, but when you plug it in, you get a custom light show, which can be controlled with an app. The clock doesn't work. I wish the clock worked on this for some reason. You could put it in your vehicle and it would be like one of those old school clocks. On the back, there are a bunch of vent holes for the heat dissipation. This is to keep it cool. On the side, there are a few connections available. You have USB-C for power, a mini HDMI port so that you can plug it into a TV if you want to, a micro SD card slot up to 256 gigabytes of storage, and a SIM card slot. The Binize AI box is powered by an 8-core Snapdragon processor with an Adreno 610 GPU. It has 8 gigabytes of DDR4 memory and 128 gigabytes of eMMC onboard storage. It has Bluetooth 5.0 and dual band Wi-Fi. One thing to keep in mind here is you have to connect this AI box to internet. If you're going to use any data, it has to connect to internet. You can either use your phone as a hotspot, you can use a portable hotspot to connect it to, you can use your house's Wi-Fi if it's long enough or close enough, or you can use the SIM card so that way you can use that for data purposes. Since this does have a micro SD card slot, you're able to put movies or videos or anything like that on the SD card and play them without internet connection. You can use that by using a video app to play these. This is great for areas that don't have a great signal, or if you don't want to connect it to the internet while you're out on the road. So the Binize AI box will play video while the vehicle is moving. You don't have to do anything special for this to work. You just plug it in and it works out of the box. Of course, keep in mind for safety reasons, the driver should not be watching and this should be only for the passenger's entertainment. So let's go ahead and jump into the vehicle and show you all of what it looks like and show you around the screen. So here we are in the Android screen, the interface that we have here, and it's plugged into where I would normally plug in my phone for wired CarPlay or wired Android Auto. You can see here Car Auto, that's for setting up wireless CarPlay. Not sure where wireless Android is, but it does do wireless CarPlay and wireless Android Auto. So that way, if your vehicle does not have wireless CarPlay or wireless Android Auto, but it has plug-in, this will allow you to do wireless on that. This also, since it's an Android interface, it allows you to install Android apps. So Disney Plus, Hulu, Prime Video, YouTube, Spotify, Netflix, VLC, all that type of stuff. As you'll notice here, it says Bluetooth phone, there's a phone right there, and there's messages. So you can install a SIM card on this and have its own phone number if you wanted to, as well as for internet. So that way you can have a phone number and messages if you want, I guess, if that's the route you want to take. We got Google Chrome here, so you can go to Google, Play Store right there, and then you got status bar here. This allows you to go to a quick menu right here and see where the apps are over there, and kind of like an Android screen, CarPlay screen, kind of multiple view. You can use Maps or Waze and use it off of the Android interface if you want to too. It's got Netflix. I don't have an account, so I can't really do anything on there. But let's go to Prime Video here, and this allows you to play videos, Prime Video. So if you wanted to this guy right here, I don't know. It'll allow me to play it. As long as I'm connected to Wi-Fi via a hotspot or my home or whatever. Obviously, you don't want your home, you're in the vehicle, so hotspot on your phone or whatever would work better. This allows you, then there's an ad, but this allows you to play video while you're driving. Obviously, if you're driving, your passengers are the one that watches it, not you, but you get the drift. There's an ad playing there. So that's pretty much it. As you can see, it's pretty responsive for the most part here, considering other older boxes are way laggy. But didn't notice I put it up there twice there. I don't know why I did that, but that's what you're getting out of the box. The box is really for adding wireless CarPlay and Android Auto to your vehicle, as well as allowing you to use an Android interface, kind of like a tablet, to install apps and utilize those in a more efficient manner instead of having to have a tablet. So here are my final thoughts. This is a great addition to your vehicle. If you spend a lot of time in your vehicle waiting in the pickup line or traveling, this will help make the time go quicker. I remember the days of bringing a laptop or a portable DVD player so we can watch movies on road trips. This AI box solves that and more, as it allows you to stream pretty much anything, movies to live TV, all the way up to YouTube. The mini HDMI port allowing you to plug it into a TV is nice. This means the entertainment doesn't have to stop when you get to your destination. You should unplug it from your vehicle, and then you plug it into a TV and you're ready to go. If you found this video helpful, please leave me a like and feel free to ask any questions down in the comment section below. If you're new to my channel, please consider subscribing for more tech reviews, home automation, home and automotive how-to videos. Thanks for watching, and I will see you next time.